Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today, and in today's video we are going to be teaching you how to remove the back plate as well as the boards from this LG unit. It is model number 55UT7000PUA. If you are having display issues, we are going to be teaching you how to swap out the main board. If you are having power issues, we are going to be teaching you how to swap out that power supply. And let's jump right into it. After we have the television laid down here on its face, the first step is going to be to go through the entire back panel and get all of these screws out. There are a whole host that run around the outside, and then there is one right here next to the power plug, one right here next to the HDMI ports, and then one right here next to the other inputs right here. So let's get all those screws out and we'll move on to the next step. After we get all of the screws out, we do want to do one more pass just to make sure that we didn't miss anything. We want to kind of come around this outside edge here, try to find ourselves a place that we can start to get this back panel to come away from the chassis. I'm going to use our spudger just to give us a hand here to get that initial lift. And that there seem like there are maybe a couple of clips that I'm popping away here. They are not well connected, like super crazy to get off of here. Oh yeah, that's it. And then after we get the back panel away, we can just lift this up and out, and that does give us access to the boards in the back of the unit. The first board that we're going to be removing is the main board, and the first step for the main board is to go around and get all of these connections away from the board. So we'll start with these two guys first, the ribbon cable connections. We'll just lift up on that little black flap with our fingernail, and these can be kind of tricky. The longer they sit in the TV, the more stubborn they tend to be. So all I'm doing here is giving a little bit of very light pressure to where the ribbon cable actually connects to the main board, and that usually does kind of help just free them away, and they just pop right out of there. Same thing with this guy. Just going to go through and kind of loosen it up just a little bit. And those do just pop right out. This guy's going to have two clips on the right and left side that we're going to pinch down and then pull the whole thing out and away from the main board. This guy's got a clip on the back that we're going to depress with our finger or fingernail, and then it slides right out. This is another ribbon cable connection, so we pop that up with our fingernail, kind of help it loosen up just a little bit. And we're going to be very gentle. We're going to take our time. We don't want to damage anything while we're removing any of these components. Looks like we got about 4 screws, and this should come away from the chassis. After the screws come away, this does lift up and out, and that is the main board for this unit. Next up is the power supply board. We do only have 2 clips connected here to the power supply. This guy right here, we're going to push down on the clip with our finger, and we're going to pull the whole thing away from the board. This one's going to be similar to the one on the main board. We're going to pinch down on the 2 clips on the right and left side and then pull the whole thing out away from the power supply. Looks like there's about 6 screws, and this should come away. After these screws come out, the power supply lifts up and away, and that is a power supply board for this unit. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about this or any other TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.